Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to navigate the map-based interface on Sniffies. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to open any of the browser and in the search bar, you need to search for sniffies.com. And after that, you need to allow the location access over here. You can scroll down at the window and allow the location access. So once you have allowed the location access, you will immediately see a map with pins and profile over here. As you can see on my screen, you can drag your fingers or mouse to move across the areas. As you see here, you can pinch or scroll to zoom in and zoom out. As you see this particularly dots over here, you will see more profiles as you zoom in here in your neighborhood. For example, this profiles you can see here. From here, basically which locations these profiles are from, the dots basically which you see are the different profiles. So this is how you can basically use how you can use to navigate the map based interface on Sniffies. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.